Sujata and Shashank now. I'm assuming both of you will welcome what the Supreme Court has said today. So I'll go to Shashank first. But Shashank, a lot of people then are saying that why would someone else's marriage bother you? I mean, we talk of equality, but there isn't even a lip service to equality. I mean, everyone should be treated as equal with same rights, with dignity. Shashank, did we just miss the bus on creating a historic moment today?
Namaste Dipti ji and other fellow panelists. Dipti ji, I guess it is the wrong question to ask whether we have missed a bus. I guess it is correct. It is good that we did not take a wrong bus. Now Constitution clearly prescribes as to the power of Supreme Court. It says that Supreme Court only can monitor the laws passed by the Parliament, but it cannot make laws. So the expectation of the petitioners to get a law created by the Supreme Court of India for their right, which is not there, I guess that was a wrong expectation altogether, and Supreme Court was very correct, and it is not a split verdict. It is a 5-0 verdict where Supreme Court has explicitly cleared that it will not get them the right to have homosexual marriage either in the Hindu Marriage Act or in the Special Marriage Act or in any other act. So it is very clear. The only verdict of split verdict of 3:2 where 3 got majority was about the adoption, where Supreme Court has said with 3:2 verdict that no, the queer couple or the LGBT couple cannot have the adoption right, because if we grant those rights without actually evaluating the society and the other laws which may be tinkered due to that, we do not even know the status of the child, and we do not even know as to what will be the implications. So as far as the rights which were being prayed by the Supreme Court, I guess, see, we need to understand the Parliament is very much capable enough to make laws if it requires. So I don't think Supreme Court was required enough
Shashank,
to
I have
make
limited
those laws.
time. Sujata
Secondly,
has not yet spoken, so I quickly want to ask you a
just
question. Do you think
Dipti,
the Parliament will intervene? Do you think the Parliament will grant the community equal rights?
You're asking me, Dipti?
Shashank.
Is it from me?
No, I wanted to ask Shashank that.
Yeah. So
Because that's also an important question. The onus now is on the Parliament, Shashank, but do you think the Parliament will do that?
Yeah. No. So for me, yeah, see, equality should be there, but I guess that the buck should start from uniform civil code. If there will be a gender, if there will be an age equal for marriage, if there will be religion neutral for marriage, then only we can think for say gender neutral for marriage. You cannot just reach at the top while jumping without taking stairs. And second point, I guess it is very important to understand that in a country of 140 crore population, you cannot have a law without understanding the social structure of the society. So that is very important. That is why I guess Supreme Court refrained from doing it.
See, Shashank, when you say that, Arvind also does not agree with you, and I'm sure Sylvester will also not, but I have to get in Sujata into this conversation. Sujata, there's so much expectation now from the Parliament, from our elected legislators, but look at what the affidavit came in. The affidavit before the Apex Court, the Union government has opposed the same-sex marriage. It said that judicial interference would cause complete havoc with the delicate balance of personal laws. It then goes on to say that the concept of an Indian family involves a biological man and a woman. It would not be possible to change the entire legislative policy of a country that's deeply embedded in religious and societal norms, Sujata. So can culture be the only defense to not give the community equal rights, Sujata? Is this the new India?
I don't know why. I don't know why you are saying this, Dipti, again and again, that we missed the opportunity to create history. I think today's judgment was a very fine, balanced judgment.